Okay, it has been 5 years. I know you guys have been asking for it, and I am finally getting around to it. How has this desk mat held up? Okay, as you can see here, you can see the desk mat. I'm sure you can see some changes since I did. I'm just going to kind of zoom around and pan those changes for us here. As you can see, I got that out. My dog chewed that bit up. If you look close, you can start seeing some of this mess here. The pieces have broken off there from just rolling around on it. You can start seeing pieces ungluing right there. So it's just kind of a lot of just wear. It's been over 5 years. I can't say I've used it the entire 5 years daily, but overall it's definitely seen some wear and tear. What I can say though is you probably should spend the extra money and build a slightly nicer one, as I did over here, and that will be a separate video. However, if you're on the cheap and you're looking to only spend $30, this should last you several years. I do want to note that this mat was put in storage in a very hot storage, very humid, hot storage room for a couple years actually. So it went through winter and summer. I think they probably get below freezing a couple times, and definitely got well above probably 80, 90 degrees and high humidity. So that, as you saw right here and right here and everywhere, all these tiles, the glue melted and tiles started sliding off. It was stored vertically instead of flat. So that probably played a humongous role in this not lasting so long. This right here could be due to the heat. The laminate is definitely starting to peel off. It doesn't look great anymore. But you know what? I'm still going to keep using it until it just falls apart completely. This part down here, my dog chewed on it right after I made it, not long ago. So that he was a puppy still, so that's why that got destroyed. But yeah, overall, it's held up quite well, considering what it's gone through. But if you want to use your desk like once a day, just for a couple hours every day, versus like all day long, this will last you probably 5 years with minimal wear. This is probably the thing you're going to see first, this peeling right here. But otherwise, I can confidently say for $30, this probably is the best mat you're going to get for the price. Obviously DIY, but I think if it wasn't in storage for this couple years in the heat and the humidity, then this would be in near perfect condition, as well as if I didn't have my dog chew on it and other random things sliding my chair on and off right here. And I think broke this piece off right here. But yeah, I just want to give an update on this. I will have an update on the one next to me over here. This one has been my daily driver. I work from home 8 hours plus a day during the week, so 40 plus hours a week. And my chair is rolling all over that constantly over the past couple years, actually. And it nearly looks brand new. So I will make an update on that one here in a bit, and how to make that one. I recommend that one over this one for long-term use. But if you're on an extra budget, I would go on for this mat, hands down. If you guys have any questions, please drop them down below. I'm trying to get this channel up and going. I would like the community to grow. I really like talking with people online, just answering their questions and just general stuff like that. But as always, you guys have a nice rest of your day, and I hope to see you next time.